Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set up second space on POCO M7 Pro. First of all, open the settings. From here, go to additional settings. Right now, go to second space and here turn on second space. Right now wait for creating the second space and after that it's switching between the spaces. Now click continue and here you have two ways to opening the second space. You can open second space by using a new password from your lock screen or using a shortcut from your home screen. So I will show you how it looks like on the using a new password for the second space. Select it and click continue. Now set now and you have to confirm your first space password, which is your current lock screen password. Click next. And now you have to set the second space password and it have to be different than the first space password. Click continue after that and now you have to confirm this password. You can also set second space fingerprint to switch faster, but I will skip it for now. And now it's switching to the second space. As you can see, I am in the second space, but let me switch to the normal space. Now you have to confirm first space password. Go next. And I will show you how you can go to the second space by using the lock screen. Now lock your phone. So now you have to enter the second space pin in order to enter the second space. So now it was the 3 times 2 and now after that I am able to open the second space. As you can see, I am in the second space. But also I will show you how it looks like with using a shortcut. So simply select using a shortcut and click continue. After that you can also set the second space password, but I will skip it for now. There is no need to set this password if you are using a shortcut. So now it's switching again. Now let me switch to my normal space. And now I am in the first space and here I can find the switch to the second space. There is on my home screen the switcher for this second space. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.